Hi Anu, happy 60th milestone birthday. Born in 1960, celebrating your 60th birthday. Isn't that awesome? And that's something we have in common. No wonder we gel. About 50 years back, we met at Sangeet Shamla, not to learn singing, but to learn painting. And then later on, you got married to my husband's best friend. Little did I know that the friend I had made then fleetingly would become one of my most precious soulmates, adding the most beautiful, happy colors to my life canvas. For truly, Anu, yours and Suresh Bhaiya's friendship is the pride of our home and family. For you walk into our lives with like a breath of fresh air, rejuvenating us with your booming chirpiness and sunshine presence. You always walk that extra mile to magnify and enhance the joyous moments of our lives. And you're also always there to wipe the tears, trials, and tensions that life brings with yours and Bhaiya's unconditional support. You are the pride of my social presence. For smart and sexy, beautiful and talented, your $1,000,000 smile and style is a treat for the eyes, making everyone envy you being my bestest friend. So with you beside me, I don't need diamonds or Anamika Khannas. I'm still the object of envy. And in the bargain, you have saved Sanjay a lot of money. You're the pride of my heart, for with you I can be who I am. You bring joy, laughter, confidence and positivity into my life. You listen to my woes, my sob stories, my complaints, my blame game, brushing them away with your master stroke of genuine understanding and reassurances, humorously giving me your honest opinion to snap me out of my blues. You overlook the weeds that are there in my garden and instead admire and help me to admire the lovely flowers blossoming there. Truly, Anu, with you, I laugh a little harder, I cry a little less, and I smile a lot more. So today as a gift, I am giving you our eternal friendship, for then we will be assured of your permanent friendship in our lives. For friends like you come one in a million, and I'm not letting go of this blessing. Happy 60th birthday. God bless you with every happiness.
Hi, Madhu has said it all, so I shall keep it short and sweet. Happy 60th birthday. I'm looking forward for great celebrations ahead.
Dearest Anu, firstly wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Anu, I have known you for more than 40 years. Since you were in your teens and now you have become a grandmother, away 60. May you always remain as if you were in your teens.
We have such wonderful times together. Our lunches, dinners, all get together, heartwarming, endless laughter sessions. Really, those were really the times which I remember at most.
The great times we had in Manali and our outings to Raichur, we can never forget.
We have grown over the years together, sharing sorrows, joys as a couple, then as parents, and now as grandparents. But this special bond we share together, the happiest place in our hearts, will always remain the same. Wish you lots of even better times ahead. Keep smiling, shining ever.
And the only time I get afraid of you is when you get angry on Suresh. So please do less of that. Have a nice day. Bye.
Nice happy birthday.
A very, very special 60th birthday to my most sweetest, amazing, beautiful, charming person for whom I love to be your sister-in-law. Don't ever change, Anu. Stay as amazing as you are. Have a healthy and blissful birthday. Really love you from the bottom of my heart.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये आए, आप जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Bobby, happy birthday to you.
हाय अनु, विश यू ए वेरी हैप्पी 60th बर्थडे। जन्मदिन वह अवसर होता है जिस दिन हर बात होती है प्यारी, चारों ओर फैल जाती है हरियाली और खुशहाली। बहुत बहुत बधाई जन्मदिन की।
Hi Anu, happy 60th birthday. So finally you've joined my bank, senior citizenship. Wow, very good. Hope you're always happy with lots of love from everyone. I remember the days when you were in Keria house and your voice was always heard since I was your neighbor. बीना, राघव को फल दी, मैं वॉकिंग जा रही हूँ. And then sometimes used to come and peep. फिर तुम हमारी देख रहे हो अलका दादी के रूम में बैठ के. And then when you left, the whole house seemed as if nobody is staying, since Raghav always used to be here and your voice was always heard. Anyway, your honey must be also wishing you a happy birthday. Bye Anu once again. Hope you enjoy it to the fullest.
Bhabiji, namaste. A very happy birthday to you. Today is a very special birthday. You turn 60. And in filmy language, I would like to say that you're actually celebrating your diamond jubilee. Well, welcome to the club. Okay. I wanted to share some of my experiences of other members in this club. As you get older, 3 things happen. The first is your memory goes. And, I can't remember the other 2 actually. But I do remember something. The 21st July is a unique date. It was on this day in 1969 that man first set foot on moon. And of course, on this day in 1960 that you were born. Okay. So, here is wishing you many, many more journeys around the sun. Have a wonderful day and many, many years ahead. All the best. Bye-bye.
नमस्ते भाभी जी, आज बहुत ही शुभ दिन है. आपको जन्मदिन की ढेरों शुभकामनाएं. God bless you and take care.
Hi Anu. First of all, wishing you a very happy 60th birthday. Hope you have a wonderful year ahead. It was so nice of Rachna to ask me to send a small video message for you. Makes me feel special in your life. I have known you for almost 30 to 32 years now, though we became more close to each other in last 15 years. I have always admired you for your ability to make occasions special with your artistic touch. I love the way you arrange flowers so beautifully, and your profound knowledge about all type of plants and flowers makes me stunned and speechless. It is always fun to go for dinners and holidays with you. Hope that we keep doing this when the times are better. I feel blessed to have a friend like you in my life. Hope you have a wonderful day today and always.